Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. What if I told you that right now, at the time of making this video, there is a massive discount ongoing on Taobao Chinese shopping app, and here is how to grab the best deal and make use of coupon discount sales at every store on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure anything on 1688, Taobao, pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, Taobao, Idlefish, or Alibaba, or AliExpress, or Alipay, or 1688, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you some of amazing deal, discounts, and coupon on how you can actually make use of them on Taobao Chinese shopping app in order to buy product at a very cheap price with the high quality from any store on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Taobao shopping app. After you open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you update your Taobao Chinese shopping app to a latest version. If you don't know how to update your Taobao Chinese shopping app to a latest version, first things first, if you are using Android phone, I'm going to assist from here. If you are using Android phone, make sure you go to your Google Play Store. Then click on Play Store right here. If you are using Android phone, then having opened up your Google Play Store, click on Search. Then come to Search App and Game and type in Taobao. Then hit on Search. In a few seconds, you are going to see right here. So as at the time of making this video, I have already updated my app to a latest version. So from your own hand, you may need to click on here to update. But if you are using iPhone, you can also go to your App Store and type in Taobao, then search for it and make sure you update to a latest version. After you have updated to a latest version, that is when you can have access to discount and coupon for sales of any product at a very cheap price on Taobao Chinese shopping app. So after you have updated, click on open right here. That will redirect you back to your Taobao Chinese shopping app. So next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here where you have Taobao 618 sales. Click on here. So all the products at a discounted price and coupon is going to be found right here. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up right here. So just like what you see right here, continue to scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up at a very discounted, cheap price with high quality. Just like what you see right here. Now, let's say for instance, I'm interested in this particular blender right here, and I want to make use of coupon. So you can see every product that have coupon and the discounted price. You see this icon, this icon, this icon. These are the indication of a free coupon. So let's say I'm interested in this blender. I'm going to click on the product link. Now it takes us to this particular page right here. Now, so as at the time of making this video, this particular blender cost is 139.9 yen. But if you are taking the opportunity of sales discounted and coupon, you are paying 69.9 yen. And this particular coupon is going to end this particular date. So everything is going to be added right here. Now, for you to take advantage of coupon, simply click on Get Coupon right here. So I click on Get Coupon, you see it right here. You can see the price you are paying. When you apply coupon, you can see the coupon options from your from the price right here. So you can see it right here. So by the time you click on Make Payment right here, you are paying the sum of 69.9 as against 139.9 original price. So if I click on here, close pop-up and go back to this particular section right here, you can scroll down right here and see quite a lot of products right here that you can even imagine how the price are so cheap. So you can scroll down right here. There are a lot of products right here that you can check and pay a discounted price. Let's take a look at this particular chair right here. So this chair right here, the original price for this chair is 600 yuan. But at the time of making this video, it was sold at 220.15 yen. So for you to claim the coupon, simply click on here and it will open in the six in the and it's open like so. Then you can see it right here. This is the coupon price section, and you are paying 371 to purchase it instead of paying 810. You can imagine the huge amount that you are saving as far as this particular coupon period is concerned. So for you to make a payment, simply click on here and make payment with your Alipay or your MasterCard or WeChat Pay. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.